Lacey, and I want to help you discover your own personal strength. I want to help you and your family eat better and enjoy a healthier, happier lifestyle. For most of my life, I've struggled with my weight, my confidence, and my self-image. And several times in my life, including each time after having my 4 kiddos, I've weighed over 200 pounds and I felt lost, like I would never get back into shape, or even if I did, I wouldn't know how to keep it off. So through my journey, I tried everything. I tried just limiting my calories to just about 1,000 calories a day. I tried a cabbage soup only diet where I just ate nothing but cabbage soup for every meal. That didn't work. I tried cardio for hours at the gym. None of these worked. None of these really were a good way to live. They didn't make me healthy. I felt like I had absolutely no control over my weight, and I was so afraid of food for the longest time. I just always thought I was doing everything right and I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. Over time, after a lot of disappointment and feeling weak and anxious about food every time I ate, I learned a much better way to take control of my body and my actions and to really improve my relationship with food and my body. Now I feed my body what it needs. I don't have any guilt when I eat, and I enjoy food to its fullest extent, and I want to show you how to do this too. It took me a long time to discover my own strength, and I want to share everything I know with you because I know you have it in you as well. On my YouTube channel, you're going to find all sorts of healthy eating inspiration in the form of meal prep recipes, how to eat healthy recipe videos, all sorts of information on the best types of ingredients to use, and just everything you're going to need to increase your confidence on how to make the right food choices for yourself. So hit that subscribe button, join our community, and I will see you in the next video.